we'll continue tax classes. Income from salary we are doing. So page number 153, 33rd question we'll solve. Mr. Sharma, working in Life Insurance Corporation of India, Hyderabad, furnishes the following particulars. So he is working in Life Insurance Corporation of India, okay, and his information is given. Basic pay is 18,000 per month, dearness allowance part of salary 6,000, arrears of salary that is 600, entertainment allowance 600 per month, into 12 you have to do. Arrears of salary, it is a salary, commission is a salary, overtime commission, remuneration is a salary, rent free accommodation municipal value is 75,000, rent paid by the corporation is 36,000. Employer deducts 1,000 towards his accommodation. So this is new point again, okay. Rent paid is how much? 36,000 per annum, and family is deducting, employer is deducting 1,000 per month from expense from employee. So this is a new point we'll do when we do rent free accommodation. Next, free use of motor car 1.4 cc small car along with the driver, okay. Small car he is providing. LTC leave travel concession is exempt, it is exempt from tax, so don't write this. He and his employer contribute to each salary towards SPF, statutory provident fund. Whenever statutory provident fund, ignore entire thing. This entire you have to ignore. Next, during the year he has paid a LIP, life insurance premium of 18,000 on his life and 12,000 his wife, and also repaid house to construction of loan of 12,000. So this is all under deduction under section 3080C. This is all deduction under section 80C. So we don't want all these things now. So first we have to find out income from salary now. Okay, so this information is given. So let me write the heading. So heading will be computation of Mr. Sharma's income from salary for the AY 2020-21, 2020-21, particulars and 2 columns, amount on amount. First is salary, okay. So in salary we are having 4 to 5 items. So leave 4 to 5 line space, then write allowances. Then after that we'll leave 1 or 2 line space, then we write perquisites. Perquisites we are having 3 perquisites, then we write income from salary, okay. Or okay, we can write gross salary, then we write deduction under section 16, deductions under section 16. First one is we are having standard deduction, it is max 50,000 always, you remember, okay. Rest of the deductions are not there, don't write directly, you can write income from salary. If you want you can write in exam income from salary, okay. So one after the other all the items will write. First is what? Basic pay 18,000 per month, sorry. So first we'll write basic pay, that will come under salary. Basic pay 1800 into 12, sorry 18,000 it is, to 12 we get 2,16,000. Next we are having DNS allowance, that is part of salary, so write under DNS allowances DA, so part of salary. How much is that? 6,000 into 12, so you get 72,000. Next entertainment allowance is 600 per month, then we have to write entertainment allowance. It is fully taxable, 600 into 12 we get 7,200. Next, arrears of salary is 14,000, that we have to write under salary. Arrears of salary, that is 14,000. After that we are having commission, that is 10,000. After that we are having overtime remuneration 16,000, overtime remuneration 16,000 per annum. Then rent free accommodation we are having working note, okay, So this working note we have to do now. Rent paid 36,000 per annum. So we have to do rent per paid working note. So let us do rent paid working note. So we'll do here rent working notes of rent paid. Question number 33, working note. Okay, so we are finding out rent free accommodation. Okay, so rent free accommodation, how to find out? It's very easy. So this is what he is taking the house on rent. See, rent paid by the corporation, employer is paying rent. So whenever there is rent is being paid, you have to take a list of the following. Okay, to take the list of the following. Whenever it is hired by employer. The rent free accommodation is hired by employer. Whenever it is there, you have to write list of the following is exempt. Sorry, list of the following is taxable. First one, rent paid. Second one, 15% of salary. Rent paid is how much? How much is paying rent? 36,000 per annum. Rent is paid 36,000 per annum, and 15% of salary we have to do. So salary definition we know, right? Salary means basic pay, DA, basic pay, DA, so we are having basic pay here 2,16,000. Bonus we don't have bonus. Commission we are having 10,000. So directly I am writing basic pay 2,16,000 and commission is 16,000. Sorry, 10,000 commission. DA is 72,000 and entertainment allowance 7,200. Okay, when we add this all plus 10,000 plus 72,000 plus 7,200, we are getting 3,05,200. So 3,05,200 is salary into 15%. If we do, get 45,780. So this one amount and rent pay one amount, whichever the least is rent paid 36,000. So RFA is 36,000. Okay, rent paid rent free accommodation is 36,000 minus from that employee contribution. Employee is also giving. How much is giving per month? 12 per month. 1,000 is giving. So 12 months you have to do. How to get 1,000 into 12? We got this 1,000 into 12, 12,000. So we get 24,000. So we got 24,000 as rent free accommodation. Okay, so we are getting RFA as 26,000. So we'll write under perquisites RFA 24,000. Done. Now everything is done. This all is SPF and all, that is exempt from tax. No need of writing. This is all. This deduction at section 80C. So first we'll find out salary. Gross salary we'll find out first. Okay, 2,16,000 plus 14,000 plus 10,000 plus 16,000, getting 2,56,000 as the salary total. Next 72,000 plus 7,200 as total of allowances 79,200 and perquisites 24,000. So when we add all this, we get gross from gross salary. So 79,200 plus 24,000 plus 2,56,000, we are getting 3,49,200 as gross salary. Mm-hmm. 2,56,000 plus 79,200 plus 24,000, 2,59,200. One item we missed, that is motor car. We have to write motor car. Okay, so motor car has been provided, small motor car with along with the driver. Small motor car means what? How much? 1800 plus 900 into 12. Okay, small car 1800 plus 900 into 12. We are getting 32,400 plus 24,000 plus 32,400. 56,400. 56,400. So we are getting rent free per visits 56,400. 2,56,000 plus 79,200 plus 56,400. So we are getting 3,91,600. From that, if we deduct 50,000 deduction, standard deduction, we get minus 50,000 means 3,41,600 as income from salary. Easy? Yes. Then we'll do deduction also. Qualifying amount of deduction under section 80C, that also we'll do. Okay. It's very easy. We are doing qualifying amount for deduction under section 80C. Deduction under section 80C. Okay. So what is their life insurance policy? 18,000, 12,000 on his wife and 12,000 house repaid. So 18 plus 12 plus 12 plus we have to do SPF contribution of employee. Okay. How much percent? 12% is exempt. So we have to find out 12% of SPF. So SPF 12% of salary we have to take. 12% of salary. Okay. So we have to find out salary. Salary means for SPF salary is basic pay plus DA. How much is basic pay? We are getting basic pay 2,16,000 plus 72,000 as DA. So when we add 2,16,000 plus 72,000, we are getting 2,88,000 into 12%. We are getting 34,000. 2,88,000 into 14%. Not 12. 14% in the question. He says 14%, right? So 14% you have to take. So we are getting 40,320 is exempt. So 40,320 for SPF. So when we add 18,000 plus 12,000 plus 12,000 plus 40,320, we are getting 82,320 is exempt, is deduction under section 80C. Okay, this is life insurance premium on own wife, and this is a prepayment of house loan, and this is a SPF for 40,320. Okay, when we add 18,000, 12,000, 12,000 and 40,320, we get 82,320 as total deduction under section 80C. Okay. Now we'll see 34th question. 34th, what he is saying, see, Mr. Raghuvaran is employed at Chennai with a private firm. So he is working in a private firm. From the under given information, compute his taxable salary and quantify amount for deduction under section 80C. We'll find out. This is very easy. Basic pay is given 1,44,000. DNS allowance is 57,600, and half is entered into retirement benefit. This problem we have already done. Okay, half is entered into retirement benefit. Will do. Commission on turnover is 1%, and during the year 13,20,000. The sales he is doing, and the sales on this he will receive commission 1%. 13,20,000 into 1% you do will get. Okay, those 2 zeros cut means 13,200 you will get. House rent allowance is 2,500 per month, and rent paid by him is 3,000 rupees. He is provided with a 1.8 big car, both office and domestic purpose. Next, children hostel allowance 1,000 per month for 2 children. This is important. Children hostel has come first time. Important. Own contribution to RPF exempt under section 80C, it is deduction. Employer contribution not, we have to see 20,000 is contributing. 11% interest on tax, interest on RPF, so 9.5% is exempt. Above that we have to see now. Next we are having, during the year he took a concession loan. He took a loan from the employer for purchasing of plot. So when did he purchase? He purchased on 30 September 2018, and 2,50,000 he has taken loan. Okay, and rate of interest is 3%. Prevailing in the market is 8%. So I'll show you this calculation. This is very easy. Interest free loan this is. During the year he paid income tax 12,000, professional tax 4,800, and LIP 12,000 on the ULIP. Unit linked insurance policy. LIP means life insurance policy. Unit linked life insurance policy. This is all deduction under section 80C. We'll see how to do this. Okay. So first we'll prepare a format and we'll do slowly this problem. So we'll continue problem number 35. So 34. So we have read the question. Now we'll write heading computation of Raghavan's income from salary. For the year 2020-2021. So first we'll write salary. In salary we are having two items, so we'll leave some space and we'll write allowances. After that allowances we are having three allowances. After that we'll write perquisites. After perquisites we are having 5 to 6. We have tried deduction in the section 16. First is standard deduction, that is 50,000 we know max. Next, professional employment tax. Entertainment allowance will not be given because he is working in some private firm. Okay, in a private firm he is working and entertainment allowance is not given. So we'll write all the items one after the other. So first one we are having here basic pay 1,44,000. So we have tried under salary basic pay 1,44,000. After that we are having DA 57,600. You write entire DA 57,600 and 50% is part of salary. Okay, first you have to write the entire thing here. Commission on turnover, so commission on sales is 13,20,000 into 1 by 100. 2 zeros cut, so 13,200 is commission. Next, interest house rent allowance 2,500 per month, rent paid by him 3,000 per annum. So HRA is 12,600 we are getting. House rent allowance 12,600, working note. Okay, do the working note of HRA. We'll do later on. First we'll solve all this problem. Entirely everything we'll write. He is provided with a 1.8 cc car used for personal and domestic purpose. So a car is provided, so we'll write here motor car under perquisites. So it's a big car. Driver is not provided, only car is provided. So we have tried 2,400 into 12 months. Okay, so when we multiply get 28,800. Motor car. After motor car what is here? Children hostel allowance. So allowance is the children hostel allowance. So how much is the children hostel allowance we are having here? 2,000 for 1,000 per month for 2 child. So we have to see this children hostel allowance. So we are having here children, see point number E, children hostel allowance exempt at the rate 300 per month. Okay, up to a maximum of 2 children. So 2 children means 300 into 12, 2 into 12 months. So 7,200 is exempt. Okay, so we have tried here. So in our problem, how much is given children hostel allowance? Question number 34, right? Children hostel allowance is given 1,000 per month. Okay, so we have tried here children hostel allowance 300 into for 2 children into 12. This is exempt. Okay, 300 into 2 into 12. 7,200 is exempt. And how much is given? 1,000 per month. 1,000 means 12,000. 1,000 into 12. This is given. This is exempt. Okay, so 12,000 minus 7,200. I think 4,800 is taxable. children education hostel allowance 4,800 taxable. How much is exempt? 300 per one children. Per how many max children? 2 children. How many months? 12 months. 7,200 we are getting. And how much is given? 1,000 into 12. 12,000 is given. So from 1,000, if we deduct 7,200, 4,800 is taxable. Then next we are having what? Own contribution to RPF, not employer contribution. We have to see. Is also exempt. Next is what? Interest free loan. How much is that? 11%. So in perquisites we have to write interest on RPF. Okay, how much percent is saying? 11% is 12,100 for 9.5%. How much? So 9.5 into 12,100 divided by 11%. We are getting 10,450. So 10,450 is exempt. Okay, some 12,100. From this 12,100 deduct 10,450. Get 1650 is taxable. 1650 is taxable. Okay, done, right? Next, during the year he has taken a loan from 2,50,000. Okay, so concessional loan. We can say concessional loan. Concessional. It's very easy. See, I'll show you. How much loan he has taken? 2,50,000. Okay, what is the market value? 8%. How much is giving? 3%. So how much is the difference? 5%. Into 5 by 100 you have to do. Into 6 by 12. Why 6 by 12? He has taken in the month of 30 October. October means from November you can count. November to March, 6 months you will get. Okay, 2,50,000 into 5 divided by 100 into 6 divided by 12. So you get 6,250. It's very easy. Whenever he gives like this in the question, concessional loan, market rate you write, then how much is charging interest you write. 8 minus 5, 8 minus 3 is 5%. 5 by 100 into 6 by 12. Done. 6250. Everything is done. Now we'll do the total now. 1,44,000 plus 13,200 is salary. 57,600 plus 12,600, 4,800, 75,000 we are getting allowances. Perquisite we are getting 28,800 plus 1650 plus 6250, 36,700 we are getting perquisites. We get gross salary 36,700 plus 75,000 plus 1,57,200. So we are getting 2,68,900 as gross salary. From that, if we deduct 50,000 deduction, employment tax is also there. How much is employment tax is paying? Professional tax 4,800. So 4,800. This is also you have to deduct. So from this you deduct 50 minus 4,800, you get 2,14,100 income from salary. Okay, so like this we have to solve. So next problems 35, 36 I want you to solve. 35, 36 similar problems, all the problems which we have solved, from that only all the points are given. Okay, chaliye.